Doesn't make sense. Okay, you can ask questions now. Or your attack.
Okay, so you mentioned that we said that China and North Korea are investing in reactors. However, we said that China and South Korea were investing in nuclear reactors. And North Korea, even though have been active in developing nuclear technology since 1950s, they have not been operating in any power generating nuclear reactors.
Okay, first of all, China is investing, as we've already said, because of nukes. Now, can you tell me why South Korea is investing, and why, because South Korea is investing, we must start investing now?
Because South Korea has been consistently building them for 5 to 7 years, which shows that the modern nuclear energy.
No,
is
but
more
I'm asking you
efficient.
because they're not one of the top nuclear providers. So I'm asking you why, just because South Korea is investing, means that we must start investing. Because you've also said that in France, people stopped investing, and France is the second largest nuclear provider in the world, and they stopped investing. So why do we need to start investing if just South Korea starts?
South Korea has a growing population and also has a growing economy, and so when they become more reliant on nuclear power, that shows that how it can also benefit the U.S.
So
well.
you're saying that because, sorry, can you explain that again?
Because South Korea also has a growing population and a growing economy, as does the U.S. It shows we can take an example how South Korea has also grown from it, and how nuclear power is benefiting them.
Okay, well, the South Korean population is actually declining, so that's not true. Now, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Okay, so if you literally said yourself that nuclear power costs more per unit than solar and wind and the other renewables and fossil fuels, then why are you still trying to promote it, saying that it's better for the economy when we've already said that not only is it more expensive, it also makes the electricity more expensive?
Because it's better in the long run for the future generations to be able to rely on.
How is it better in the long run if we're literally losing money because it's more expensive?
It is more expensive right now when we're building more nuclear power, but when it is already in set, the prices are stabilized and the prices will reduce as when it becomes more common in the U.S.
But that will be it won't be the exact same for renewables and fossil fuels, because renewables and fossil fuels will always be cheaper than nuclear energy, as you already said. So.
But the prices of those are not consistent right now, because it's due to the war in the Middle East. Oil prices are increasing.
So we've already said that we're trying to promote renewables instead of nuclear power, and also that's cross.